Hello everyone, welcome to Motivation Medicos. My name is Pulkit Gupta, and in this video we are going to talk about a very important topic which comes in university exam. The name of that topic is the lymphatic drainage of tongue. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the lymphatic drainage, why we are studying the lymphatic drainage of tongue? Because in our previous video I have already told you that in the anterior two-third of the tongue, cancer, that is carcinoma, is most likely. That's why we need to study about the lymphatic drainage of the tongue. So first of all, the first uh, lymph vessels which going to supply to the which going to drain the lymph is the marginal. Sorry, first one is starting with the apical vessel. It's the apical vessels. So as the name is suggesting, apical means it is taking lymph from the tip as well as from the margin, and now from the apical vessel it will move to the submental lymph nodes, and from the submental lymph nodes it's going to supply to the submandibular nodes, and to the submandibular lymph nodes it's going to drain into the jugulo-omohyoid node, to the jugulo-omohyoid. So apical vessels from taking from lymph from the tip and the margins of the tongue going to drain into submental, then into submandibular and to the jugulo-omohyoid node. This one is our first lymph node, that is apical vessels. The second one is marginal vessels. So marginal vessels is going to take lymph from the anterior two-third of tongue, anterior two-third of the tongue. So from the anterior two-third of the tongue, marginal vessels going to drain into the submandibular. These will also going to supply to the submandibular, and to the submandibular, as you can see, it is moving down and it will going to supply to the deep cervical. So not all the deep cervical nodes, to the lower deep cervical nodes, including the jugulo-omohyoid node. This is our second. The third one is the central vessels. See, there one more lymph node which is not mentioned in this, and the name of that is central vessels. The central vessels is going to drain the lymph from the central vessel. So first of all, it will take from the central portion of the tongue. So from the central portion of the tongue, it will going to drain into the vertically directly, as you can see, into the deep cervical lymph nodes. So mainly the deep cervical lymph nodes are the main in which all the lymph is going to drain from the tongue. So this is important. Remember the deep cervical nodes. After this, the last one is the basal vessels. These are fourth vessels which are going to take. Now the name is suggesting basal means base. From the base, and base in tongue is called posterior one third. So posterior one third plus root of the tongue, from the root of the tongue. This basal vessels is going to drain into the as you can see deep. This will also drain into the deep cervical nodes, but upper deep cervical, as well as jugulo-digastric nodes. So these all are the lymphatic drainage of the tongue. So there are four, basically apical vessels, marginal, central vessels, and the basal vessels. And mainly they all going to drain into the, remember, the deep cervical nodes. They all going to drain into the deep cervicals. So and, that's it for the lymphatic drainage of the tongue. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe, and guys, don't forget to press the bell icon to get the recent updates of our videos. Thank you, guys.